Guys, this is how it's done. Hello guys, I'm Matty V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell. I literally post videos every single day. Anyway guys, on to the video. These are plastic coils, coil pipes, whatever they are. Anyway guys, I'm gonna show you how to strap them down, how to secure them. This is the proper way to do it. There's many other ways, but this is the most simplest way, and you don't have to go overboard with it. A lot of people, for safety, put a strap around both of them. That's if you have a long enough strap. So basically two coils, and then put a strap around, and then it goes down like that. I didn't do that. I feel confident, secure with what I did. So as you can see, you want one strap facing this way, one strap facing this way, and one strap facing the middle. Technically two straps, these and this is okay, but the one facing in the middle helps it from moving side to side. Both of them do it, but one facing this way and this way helps it from not moving it back and forth. They can load up to 4, or depending on the size. These are 10'5", so I'm at 13'8". I'm going to West Coast, so I'm allowed 14-foot height without a permit, so I'm legal there. They don't weigh much. I think each pallet here weighs 5,000 pounds, and it's a 20,000 pound load. So as you can see, let's come up closer. If depending what step deck you run, I run my hooks like this down here against this block. That way they don't go anywhere. And that's how I run this and this. And on my straps, because there's no place to secure the extra, I just roll them up like this. And unfortunately, I'm gonna have to unroll everything once I get unloaded. But you can run it against the rail like that on the inside. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's actually pretty tight. As you can see, all of them are really tight and secure. And the extra, I either run down here and put a bungee cord like right underneath so it doesn't go anywhere, or right down here against this inside the rub rail. It's not gonna fall down anymore. The hole is so tiny here that this spool of extra excess strap is not gonna go anywhere. Let's see, better example right here. Now the extra, I either tie up funny wise like that, or I roll it up and tie it up like that, or I roll it up and tie it up like that. Also guys, actually I'm gonna make it tighter here just for in case. There you go. Well, actually, I'll fix that. 1 second. There we go, I fixed it. That's not gonna go anywhere. I also did it this way as well, and it's not gonna go anywhere because there's a bungee cord underneath. Now, on this one, I ran bungee cord around it. Why? Because sometimes while in transit, it flaps around like this, and the strap part might be hitting something hard, sharp of metal against my upper deck. So I just put a bungee cord, so if it shakes back and forth, which it shouldn't, it'll just be hitting the bungee cord, and it can rip up the bungee cord as much as you want. Now, you don't need edge protectors for this, but I put 2 edge protectors in this instance. Why? On this pallet, it's on a very sharp corner, and usually if you put your strap against this, it's not going to do anything. But in my theory, if a strap runs against the corner like that, it could poke through and destroy your strap. So I put an edge protector on there like this. And over here, why did I run an edge protector? Well, as you can see, this extra right here, I'll show you what it looks like without the edge protector on there. It looks like that. I am worried that it's going to cut through the strap. As you can see, it's running against the strap a little, and that's the only way to do it. So basically, I ran an edge protector there. It doesn't hurt to run edge protectors just for your safety. Now, let's go around to the other side, and I'll show you what it looks like on the other side, how I secured the straps there. And I think most of them are inside of the rub rail, basically. As you can see how they ran those straps, but the big straps, like as you can see, inside the rub rail. Normally, I run almost every single one of my loads with the straps inside the rub rail, unless the load is exactly as wide as the rub rail. So, as you can see, that's how I attach them. All right, guys, and that's how you secure these giant pipes.
Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package. Drive an attempt on the 6 Series.